Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw stuff. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the ghost face mask from the movie Scream. So let's see, before we get started, please feel free to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Really helps out the channel a lot and I love when that happens. Okay. So I'm gonna get started with some eyes. So these eyes are gonna be kind of a strange shape. They're kind of like if you had a jelly bean and kind of stretched it. So here's one eye. You see what I mean? Like a stretched jelly bean. And then we'll give a little bit of space and do another eye, which is again, kind of a stretched jelly bean. Bit of a strange shape. And I'm going to do a little bit of a curve here on this side and on the other one. And up top here a bit. And on the other side. And now let's do the nose. So the nose is going to be kind of like a wide upside down U. And then on the bottom, we're doing a little shape like a little hill. So it's also kind of like a funny little shape. All right, so I'm gonna do a little line here, little line here. And next we're gonna do the mouth. So I'm gonna do kind of like a sad face, and then we can come all the way down and curve and come all the way up. Now let's draw around this. Let's do our face shape. So I'm going to draw from here and come on down and curve underneath this shape that we made for the mouth and come on up. And up top here, we're going to do curve and come on down here and right here. And now we're going to do like a hood. So we're kind of like the top of a house here and coming on down. See, it's not a perfect curve. We got a little bit of a small point. Just kind of helps to show the movement in the fabric. So you can see I didn't come down perfectly straight here. I did a little bit of a bump here and coming on down, just because the fabric of the hood isn't going to fall totally straight. So add another little bump here on this side and coming on down. And let's start with some shoulders here. Coming out that way and that way. And I'm going to do another little line coming down here because of course the face is coming out of the hood. And I'm going to do a little line here and right here. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna get started with the coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have the best day ever, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for our next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, goodbye.